Welcome to Excel Automation. We automate your repetitive, complex, boring manual Excel tasks. You will be more relaxed while our automated system does the work for you. Handling single or multiple Excel files. Automated data add, update, delete operations. Automated complex calculations. Automated formatting. Send emails from Excel data automatically. Save information to databases from Excel and vice versa. Generate complex mathematical results and reports from Excel data. Scrape data from web pages and save it in Excel files. And almost all Excel-based tasks can be automated. Please see the video description for links to our Excel automation services. We always work to provide you best solution for your Excel automation requirement. Thank you for watching.